Parking is the scariest part of driving for beginners. But what if I told you there's a simple step-by-step trick that works every single time? By the end of this video, you'll park like a pro, and maybe even show off to your friends. Right then. Welcome back to Prestige Driving School, where we turn nervous beginners into confident drivers. Today, I'm breaking down the step-by-step method to perfect parking, and trust me, you've never seen it explained like this before. So, listen up. Line up your mirror with theirs. Think of it like the handshake before the parking battle. Stop when your rear bumper lines up with theirs. Stop, check, double check. Here's the golden rule. One full turn, slow roll, and let the car slide in like butter. Most people panic here. Don't. Just straighten the wheel when your nose kisses the curb line. Want to look like a pro? End with your wheels straight. That's how examiners know your driver material. Quick challenge, try this method on your next drive and comment Prestige if it worked. I'll pin my favorite success stories. Remember, driving isn't about being perfect. It's about knowing the right steps. And now, you've got them. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Prestige Driving School, and share this with your friend who can't park to save their life.